gonna take your picture. He is. He's gonna take your picture. See, there's Daddy. He says, I'm getting tired of you, Granny.
No, he's not saying that.
No. His little legs go through the crack. I can't get it back up here. There it goes. Put my legs together. Oh, goodness, what is that? What is that? Playing peekaboo? Are you playing peekaboo? Where's Danger? There he is. There he is. He says, I'm not old enough for that game yet. Oh, goodness. Very big stretch. He's trying to get me to talk. He likes somebody to talk to him, don't he? He likes somebody to talk to him. And his sleepy, yes, little cheeks. Come help me get his legs. My legs keep falling apart.
Oh, he's fine.
Hey, darling. He says, there's my daddy, or it was wet. I feel there's a wet spot right there. Was it sweat? What's Daddy doing? Is Daddy being funny? What's Daddy doing up there? Huh? What's Daddy doing up there? What are you going to do? Are you going to poop? Are you going to poop? No. Are you going to eat? Yes. Yes. Oh, yes. You go see. Oh, yes. You're sleepy, baby. Sleepy, baby. You're going to talk, aren't you? Yes. I'm going to talk. I'm going to talk to you. There's Daddy. I need to readjust, baby.